Hi guys, Andy from Crypto Deals here, and today I'm going to talk about the project called Green Figures, and it's really new. Basically, what it's all about, it is about you copy a Forex trader, okay? Basically, you give them your money and they trade Forex and you participate, okay? So first of all, as you know, we are going to do a scam check. Is this legit or not? And this one, I have to say, looks really good. First of all, let me show you. There is the contract audit, and the overall score is 85, so this looks pretty good. We're always looking for, has the contract been audited, has the team been KYC'd, and how do they make money? Is there a business model or is it just a Ponzi? So first of all, contract has been audited, that's good, and KYC also check mark, okay, by Anonydocs. So these 2 points are very good. And let me show you how do they make money, because you know guys, I hate those typical Ponzi schemes. There are a couple of videos on my channel because those projects just rely on new people coming in, and the deposits of the new people gonna cover the rewards of the existing people. Yeah. So, and once new people stop coming in, existing people don't get paid out anymore. So that's just a Ponzi. So it doesn't work at all because there's no business model, but this one has a business model. Okay. So basically, let me show you. You invest. I mean, there are a couple, of sites where you can copy Forex traders, for example, or crypto traders. For example, on Phemex or on Bybit, you can copy crypto traders. In case you want to do this or you want to trade yourself, if you use the links down in the description, you will always get the highest available bonuses. Yeah. And for if you want to copy Forex traders, there are for example, sites like eToro or CopyFX. But here, for example, it's different because I mean, the only difference is basically you give them your BUSD. And for example, if you would do this on MyFX, CopyFX from RoboForex, for example, you just give them your US dollars, for example. But here you deposit crypto. So basically, how it works is you invest your crypto here, yeah. You give them your money, and then they trade. Every Sunday they put the money to traders. Basically, these are bot traders, they said, and then they should make a profit. First of all, they don't say how much profit you can make. It's not like 1% per day or 5 per week, because they really trade. I will show you later how this works. So, and then if they make a profit, the profits they go back, and 80% will be paid to the investors, and the team will keep 20%. So that's how they make money, and that's how you make money. Of course, if they don't make money, you don't make money, okay? And let me show you guys how do I invest. Basically, you just deposit your BUSD. I will show you the debt later, how it works, and then you get your weekly rewards. Yeah. How do I withdraw my initial capital? Your capital will be returned to your wallet within 28 days. Yeah, you can also do this in the dep. I will show you later. Yeah. So yeah, there's no is a weekly profit guaranteed? No, because they trade. They are really traders, or the bots really trade. So it depends, and I will really show you how it works. Let me show you here on my FX book. My FX book, they trade with MetaTrader 4. This means you cannot fake this. Let me show you guys. If you ever check my FX book, it's really important that I check track record verified, green check mark, okay, and trading privileges verified, green check mark, and live updates. If those 3 check marks are there, then they can't fake it, because these are really live updates. Okay, as you can see here, June 2nd in general they have a growth of 7.54%. That's, I would say, a nice profit. And if the profit goes up, you also participate, and if the profit goes down, you also, yeah, in this case you get less profit. But okay, this is really they're really trading. You can really see here, you can see it daily. They are really trading, and if you ever want to check some trader, they claim that they're a good Forex trader or whatever, they should connect their their broker with my FX book, so all the trades will be reflected here. Okay, so, and also important, track record verified and trading privileges verified. Okay, that's very important. Okay, so basically 80% you will get and 20% the team will get. This is how the dashboard looks like, as you can see here. It just started yesterday, so it's very new. And as of right now, they have invested $57,440. Okay, how would it work? You just connect your MetaMask wallet, for example. Then you pick the amount that you want to approve. For example, here 1,000. Then you invest, and then you can withdraw the rewards weekly. Okay, and if you refer someone to this, you will get a 2% bonus. Okay, I will put the link down in the description in case you're interested in this, guys. And here at the end, as you can see, withdraw initial. After 28 days you can withdraw your initial. Yeah, so this is really some working company, so to say. I mean, they really have a business model that then it's not just a classical Ponzi, you know, where they just need new people coming in and depositing to pay the existing users, and one day they're just gonna rug pull and it's gone. They really do some business, guys. Yeah, as always, guys, you know, I'm not a financial advisor. Always do your own research before you invest your money, because there's always risk involved. Okay, it doesn't matter if you invest in the stock market or Forex or crypto, whatever, there is always a risk involved. Okay, keep this in mind. So never invest an amount that would make you completely go crazy if you would lose it or something like this. Okay, then the white paper here, basically we covered the most the basic details. As you can see here, the fees, there's no deposit fee and no withdrawal fee. Let me zoom in here. 0, and yeah, this is actually pretty good, guys. Yeah, we saw the KYC, the contract has been audited, how it works, you know, guys. And yeah, guys, so if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, put them down in the comments, and see you.